Okay, so we're going to end the lecture with a challenge. Not an exercise, but a challenge. And I'm going to put it in between stars, because challenges are fun. So, given that the alternating harmonic series, which we have seen from earlier, and what was this? This was the sum from 0 to infinity, minus 1, to the n over n plus 1, converges. Use the above fact from the previous lecture, so this ln of 1 plus x, the fact in the white box above, which you have from the last lecture. Use this and continuity of ln to show that this alternating harmonic series, so sum from 0 to infinity, minus 1 to the n over n plus 1, actually equals ln2. Okay, so that's the challenge. Good luck.